Forgotten username recovery failed on Investingcom Fix. If you've forgotten your Investingcom username, most people try guessing, but the process to recover it is simpler than it seems. Step 1. Visit the Investingcom login page and click Forgot Username. Enter your registered email address. You'll receive a recovery email with your username or a link to reset it. Step 2. If you can't access that email, prepare verification information such as your full name, subscription details, or recent account activity. Investingcom support can use these details to confirm your identity and manually recover your username. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam and promotions. Follow the instructions carefully and don't submit multiple requests at once to avoid delays. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact Investingcom support directly. Provide all verification details and explain that the automated process didn't work. Their team will guide you through the secure steps to regain access. Once you recover your username, consider enabling two-factor authentication and using a secure password manager. This ensures your account stays safe and prevents future recovery issues. By following these steps, you can regain full access to Investingcom and continue tracking investments, market news, and analysis without disruption. Forgetting your username is just a temporary setback that can be fixed efficiently.